So how about that Louisiana trip?
Man, Louisiana has a special place in my heart. I've been there a few times with work back in the day, and it was a really good friend of mine that I worked with down in Louisiana, Todd, and he hosted us. What a guy, hey?
Oh, he was awesome. I love Todd. That was incredible, man. That was my first time in Louisiana. I've never experienced the full-out Cajun culture. I've never experienced the seafood, and just everything about that area. The fishing was incredible. The people were incredible. People were so nice. There's a place where everything makes sense. Wading a blue ribbon stream, on a boat on the ocean, or casting into the pristine waters of an untouched lake. For as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with the wild. Fishing has always been a way of life for me and my family. Come along and enjoy some of our adventures. Welcome to Wild Angles.
What on earth are we pulling up right now?
I can't believe it! Look at the size of its head!
What a crazy fight! This fish does not even fit in my net.
That is a solid fish.
That is a tank of salmon. Unbelievable. Well, we're in New Orleans. Todd is almost here to get us. We just got on the ground. It is freaking muggy here. Holy cow, I'm not used to heat and humidity like this.
Hey, Aedan and Todd. Good to see you. It's been a long time. We're teenagers back there. What's up?
Hey, bro.
How you doing, man?
You good, brother?
It's good to see you.
How are you?
Good.
You're on TV.
What's up? You ready to fish?
My name's Captain Ryan Lambert from Cajun Fishing Adventures in Buras, Louisiana. I've been guiding here for 44 years now. It's been a long ride. We do inshore mostly, speckled trout, redfish, flounder, black drum, sight fishing, fly fishing, bait fishing. We do whatever the customers want to do. The Gulf Coast is pretty good fishery, one of the top estuaries in North America. Mississippi River. Have you fished live shrimp before, Hayden?
Nope, never.
All right, so you casting these. You gotta let it stop on your back cast so you'll rip them off.
Okay. You're in it, man. So the redfish are feeding on the mullet too, eh?
Yeah, mullet, shrimp, crab.
Sweet.
So we're down here in South Louisiana, looking for some redfish. Just getting started here. The sun, beautiful sun's rising. It's a beautiful day, nice and calm weather, and hopefully get on these fish soon. Just waiting for them to bite. We're repositioning the boat, trying to get a little better spot over these rock beds. So we're gonna go ahead and start catching soon.
Right on, man. Let's do it.
Go USA.
Go Team Canada.
Team Canada. We got a little competition going here, so we're gonna see what kind of fisherman this guy really is. Okay, here we are.
You're hired.
All right.
So on these shrimp, just take your hook, hook through right about there. Captain Terry said to avoid the brain, which you can see, that little black part there. So So if you poke that, it's probably gonna die right away. Yeah, this guy's nice and lively. I'm feeling like this guy's gonna get me a fish.
There he is.
There you go. Yes, sir.
Nice little redfish. Yeah. It's one. Nice. Beautiful redfish.
Get their blue tail. They get that blue tail. It's supposed to be an excited state, like when they're feeding.
Oh yeah.
Crusher in the back of his mouth. They crush what crabs and stuff before they swallow it. They got the spines at the top of their mouth.
Oh yeah.
Back there. You put him in the mortuary.
There you go. So the redfish here in the States have to be a minimum of 16 inches, and you're allowed, your limit is a 5, but only one of the 5 can be over 27 inches. So they're protecting the larger fish are protected as the breeding stock. There's one in the box, and I'm gonna see what Aedan can do, but doesn't look promising.
Oh, you just wait.
Wild Angles is brought to you by All About Trout, Bass Dash, Cooley Outdoor, Hard Knocks Brewery, Maui Jim Sunglasses, National Emergency Safety Services, Pro Patria Coffee Company, Red Shed Fly Shop, Red Wings Tackle, Thule, and Tournament Marine and Power Sports.
Get him?
Yep.
There you go.
That's a nicer one. Yep.
Bit of a better fish for sure.
Yep.
Ooh yeah, that's a good fish.
Oh yeah.
Holy cow, man. Good fish.
That's red. So yeah, these guys, once it gets to this size, they're a really good fight, particularly on the tackle we're using, this light tackle. These guys probably pound for pound are the strongest fighting fish that's out here. So they're called red drum. You can hear them sometimes. You can hear them actually drumming. They make a noise, and there are also those other close species of black drum. But these guys are well known out here in Louisiana, and it's they're targeted all around here. Great fighting fish. So we're gonna go ahead and release this guy now, get him back in the water. So there he goes. To fight another day. Number 2. Let's hit number 3. Aedan, how you doing up here? A
Casting.
little slow?
Taking up space. Look, sometimes you're the bug, sometimes you're the windshield. Is he on top? Switch it one more time.
Had a bump.
Oh,
What was that?
It's gonna be edited.
What was that, Ed?
probably a boop. Beep. So we're going to change locations here. We're going to try a different spot. We'll move on. We'll try somewhere else and get some fish into the boat. Closed captioning is brought to you by National Emergency Safety Services. Strength in emergency.
The water today seems really flat, super nice. It's pretty comfortable boat rides out here right now. I've changed locations again. This spot looks really cool. There's lots of structure around here. I got fish. There we go.
Some people are self-motivated, the other ones just need a purpose kicking the butt.
There we go. Connected to something. We'll see what this is. Feels good though. No runs or anything. Lots of head shakes. Ooh, sheepshead. Cool. They were on my list of species I really wanted to catch. Sweet, man. That's a cool looking fish. Into the net. Nice. So look at that. That's a sheepshead. These fish are very cool. They have almost human-like teeth.
More like a sheep, that's what they call a sheephead.
Makes sense, I guess. Wow, that's a beautiful fish. Really, eh? Sweet, man. Sweet. Well, right on. Put them in the box. All right. Ha! Twins.
There you go.
That's awesome.
I put them in the mortuary.
Right on, right on, right on. Good stuff. Going. Oh yeah.
That's first is species for you, huh?
Yep. Oh yeah. Right on, thank you, Terry. Do that. There we go. My first redfish ever. He's not very big at all, but that is a gorgeous fish. The colors on these things, they're just stunning. Beautiful, beautiful fish. This guy actually pulled some good drag there. They're gonna be spitting up a crab. So that's what they're down there eating on. All right, into the box. I like this spot. Thanks, Terry.
Yeah, Cody told me he dropped a bunch of Prozac in the water before he left.
That's what the secret is, eh? There's a bug biting my leg.
It's called the look-away bite.
Yeah, right. For some reason, they always seem to do that. That feels different. That's weird. Another sheep's head.
Oh, you leave them in the net. Because I handle them, they close their mouth, and then I can't get the hook out of it.
Oh yeah. We got into another sheep's head there. This spot is producing really, really well. We're seeing a lot of fish around here. Yeah, they're gorgeous, man. They're such a beautiful fish, eh? Hey?
Perhaps catch some other species. I'm looking to potentially catch trout here.
Oh yeah.
Also the black drum, which is a relative, obviously, red drum. The
Right.
redfish here, almost shaped like a sheep's head.
Oh yeah.
A little bit more like that. So,
That'd be cool.
That's what's cool about saltwater fishing, eh? You can, you don't know what you're going to catch. There's so many species that
Yep.
survive in the waters down here.
Yeah, it's awesome.
You never know. It's pretty cool. It's like offshore fishing, the same thing.
Wild Angles is brought to you by All About Trout, Bass Dash, Cooley Outdoor, Hard Knocks Brewery, Maui Jim Sunglasses, National Emergency Safety Services, Pro Patria Coffee Company, Red Shed Fly Shop, Red Wings Tackle, Thule, and Tournament Marine and Power Sports.
Back on it?
Back on it, let's do it. Got him. Small fish though. Still fish though. Take it. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Little baby sheepshead.
That's a black drum.
Is that a black drum?
Yeah, we call it a puppy drum.
Oh.
Small.
So that's another species.
Another fish species.
Cool. Look at that guy, eh? Really pretty.
Yeah. That's a redfish's cousin.
Nice. Oop, get that off there. So that's our black drum. Not very big, very little guy. But that's really cool.
Puppy.
Hear him croaking. Just barely. That's cool. Let him swim. Got him. Ooh, yeah. Feels good. Little redfish. Right on.
A little primo.
There we go, got another red. This guy's a little bigger than my last one. I can't believe how hard these fish fight for this size. Just ridiculous. Good fighters. Beautiful fish. Oh, that's sweet. Into the box. Into the box. This is a whole lot of fun out here. There you go, Todd.
Now you start moving faster. These old redfish always had a bad name for many years. An old chef Proudhon from New Orleans came up with that blackened redfish recipe, and then they became one of the most sought after fish here because of the fight. It went from a commercial fish to a game fish, and now everybody wants it. Nice keeper, good eating. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Beautiful fish.
Oh, I almost missed that fish. Sheepshead, I think. It's got that. That's a good one, eh? Right on, man. There we go. It's a nice sheepshead. These guys fight pretty good. I'm really enjoying catching them. All right. Beautiful fish. We'll let them go. Right on. Got him. What do we got? Sheepshead. Is that a black drum? Nice, sweet. All right. So there we go. Black drum. Very nice fish. You can hear him drumming there. All right, we'll release this guy. Later. That's a whole lot of fun. That's hard to beat. Sweet. Yeah. Oh. I think I got a little redfish. Oh yeah. Might be a little bigger than little. Oh, it's a sheepshead or black drum. That's why he's fighting differently. I see the black stripes and I'm like, sheepshead.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. But size for size, these guys fight harder than redfish just because they got that wider body.
Oh yeah.
They got that long, that pectoral fin is just like a sheephead. They real long like that.
Oh yeah. There we go.
in.
Close.
High five.
Good stuff.
Boy, I told you, you see how Ty went stone cold? All he's doing is bringing in empty hooks.
Yeah, switch places, man. Thanks, sir.
Trying to get Aedan got a chance, so I was just kind of reversing my
Yeah,
my
that's fair.
typical bait movement and introduction and so forth. But I gave him a chance. He's caught up, so it's on now. I'm gonna go back to my normal routine.
Dip them into the water.
All right.
And those kind of shirts, I can't wear them because either my vanity. I'm looking at it. You saw how hard the water was rolling around that point over there?
Now it's not.
Now it's not. We're at
Looks-
10 o'clock and I think our tide has quit on us.
So what does that do to affect the fishing?
Saltwater fishing, you gotta have moving water.
Oh yeah, gotcha. Well, this concludes our trip with Cajun Fishing Adventures, Captain Terry and our good buddy Todd. That was an awesome trip, guys. That was sweet.
Enjoyed
Thank you so
having you on
much.
board.
Absolutely, we enjoyed being on
You
board.
good, T-boy?
Yes, indeed. Thank you, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Follow us on social media at Wild Angles TV.